Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So we are actually going to be going apartment hunting today. I know you guys are like, what? I thought you just moved into your lot. What? You just moved into your other apartment? Yes, okay. It's been like a year and a half in the apartment that I'm in now. I'm in my 30s now and I cannot be renting for another 5 years of my life. Okay, I'm hoping by the time I'm 40, I'm going to be a homeowner. And so in order to do that, I need to accelerate my savings. So I am just completely on team save and no spending. Well, okay, that's not true because I definitely am going to be designing this new place, and I haven't even toured the apartment yet, you guys, and I'm already looking and thinking about all these different design ideas like, oh my gosh, this would be good. Oh my gosh, that would be good. I'm going to be looking at a studio, you guys. I haven't lived in a studio since I was like in my early 20s. So, but anyway, we're going to look at like 4 different apartments, I think, and I want to know which one you guys like the best. Let's go check it out. Okay. Alright, so this first apartment was a brand new build. I was actually going to be the first person in the unit. So first we're going to check out the studio apartment. Right here I'm walking in, and right to your right is the shower, or the bathroom I should say, and oh my gosh you guys, this bathroom was stunning in person. I also really liked the floor to ceiling windows. It's very similar to the floor to ceiling windows in my current apartment. And I also love the light finish on the cabinets in the kitchen. Everything just seems to be very well made, and I really like the way they styled this too. My only concern is that I am in a 1-bedroom now, and I would have to figure out how to fit all my things into this small space. You guys know that my wall unit is my baby, and I just don't see where it would fit. I also have a TV, and if I have my wall unit, where would I put my TV? Now here is a 1-bedroom apartment. This one is about the same price as my current rent, and so I just looked at it for fun, but honestly it defeats the purpose. I'm moving to get a more affordable place, and this one doesn't help with that. I do love, again, the floor to ceiling windows, and I like how the laundry room connects to the bedroom and then to the bathroom as well. And they also have fiber internet, which is one of the main things that I'm looking for, as well as an in-unit washer and dryer. Here is another studio in the same building. This one I didn't end up going with. I just didn't like the way that I felt in this unit. It felt really claustrophobic and depression inducing. So I went ahead and told her I didn't like the way I felt with that one. So now we're on to the second property across town. This one was a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. It does have in-unit laundry, and I did like that this one was a 1-bedroom, but it was the same price as the studio we had looked at. It comes just around $1,300, and I thought it was worth it for the bigger space. This was also a brand new build. I would be the first person to live in this apartment. However, I didn't like that they just used very basic appliances, and nothing's wrong with that, but you could just tell that they put the minimum effort as far as like their choices for things. And again, that's to save money, I guess, but I would have liked at least a stainless steel refrigerator. We then went across the hall to check out a slightly larger layout. I liked this one better because there was more room for me to play around with my design. I did like the spacing in the bedroom. I did not like that my guests would have to go through the bedroom to use the bathroom. That was one downside, but not a deal breaker. So this was something I had to think about. So I went to see another property that was very spacious and actually the most affordable so far. This was a 1-bedroom for, I believe it was around $1,100. The only downside is that they didn't have fiber internet, and as a YouTuber and a video editor, this is something that's very important for my workflow. But I did love the size of the apartment. I did look at reviews, however, and they said they dealt with mice, which was a deal breaker for me. So I looked at it and listened to everything she had to say, but I ultimately decided to pass on that one. So property 4 was actually my favorite out of all of them. I love the hardwood floors. I liked how much light was coming in, and I loved the price range for this one. This one was a 1-bedroom with a den for $1,300, which I felt was a steal. I've been wanting an office space so badly, and I was really excited about this one. I also really liked that it had a dining room area because I love to entertain, as you guys know, and host, so that was a plus. It had stainless steel appliances, a laundry room, and plenty of cabinet space. I went into the bedrooms and they were a decent size. There was lots of closet space and lots of sunlight coming into the space. Overall, I have a lot of good choices to choose from, but I enjoyed looking at each of the apartments. So that is it for today's video. What did you guys think? Let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys next weekend. Love you. Bye.